Salutations, Queens Inc.
Welcome back. If you're wondering why we have on the same clothes, is because we're doing another review.
Oh my gosh, you were so funny. Yes, okay. We just finished doing another review on, well, not even a review, but just showcasing our singing bowls. And what was the other thing that we got?
It was Synergy. Synergy.
It's like a binary tone type chime thing. But for this video, we are looking at some fabric that we recently bought. And excuse me, I'm crying. But I'm going to get myself together halfway through the video. But we have some new fabric that we ordered, and we're excited that we received it, and we're just going to show you what we have for our new head wraps. And we posted some new head wraps as well on our website as well.
Go visit qkjj.org.
Exactly, and I'll put the link down below and everything. So this is the first new fabric that I got, that we got. This is very beautiful, very soft, stretchy. Look at that. Okay. And one of many. The next one is, it's like an Aztec type of print. It's a black and white. They had a white and black too, but I just love the black and then the white. Kind of like that zebra thing. Like, is the horse white or is the horse black?
Right. Is the horse white with black stripes, or is the zebra black with white stripes? I got you.
Exactly. Here we go. This is the next one. This is another stretchy pattern. Stretchy fabric, excuse me. Very nice. I want to make an outfit out of that.
Very nice.
May have to order some more yards of that. This is another one. Freaking love this one. Love kente patterns all day long. And that's stretchy as well. Okay, another kente pattern. Love, love, love. Stretchy as well. And I'll put the link down below where you can go and purchase this fabric as well. This is a really good supplier that I found, and a lot of people use this supplier. And this is some black for the head wraps. These, like the one that I have on, this is the jet black or the ebony. And this is beautiful. Stretchy as well, very soft. I'm not sure how much detail you can see. This one, lovely. This is like a cow type pattern. We could have worn this for Chick-fil-A Day. Okay, this came a couple of days after they had the cow appreciation day at Chick-fil-A. You had to wear a cow print and you got a free entree. You didn't really need to wear anything. You just show up, ask for the free entree, and move on with your life.
Exactly. You just move on with your life.
Alright. Then we got the army fatigue for the ladies and the fellas. This one is very beautiful.
Soldiers.
I'm making head wraps out of this one as well. Stretchy as well. I like the stretchy because I like making the head wraps with the stretchier fabric, because we have a lot of different clients who have different volumes of hair. So the stretchier the fabric, the more hair that you can, you know, stuff under there and still be comfortable without it fitting too tight, or, you know, you're getting a headache from your head wrap being too tight. But that's our fabric, and we'll be posting more and more of the head wraps as we're finished with them. We just posted a unisex head wrap. This head wrap that we posted is really good for people who have really long dreads and you're looking for a extra long dread sock. This head wrap is perfect for you.
Perfect.
Or if you have a large volume of hair, or even if you're bald. You know, this is a perfect head wrap because it's very versatile. It's called the Scorpion head wrap. because it kind of looks like a scorpion. If you look at the
aesthetic.
Yes, if you look at the pictures that we have on our website, I'll post a link down below, and you'll definitely see why we call it the scorpion head wrap. But it's a very beautiful, unisex, versatile, bald to short to long hair, dreads, extra long dreads, short dreads. It is perfect head wrap. And if you're just getting started as well, and you still want you want a base for your head wrap, but you want a base for your head wrap, but you don't want it to just be sedentary like this one.
Exactly.
You can use the straps to maneuver and make different styles. So
many different styles. Actually, I'm about to put it on after I take off this do-rag. So, we do want to thank you for checking us out as well. Queen, anything else you want to add?
We're going to do a review on that head wrap as well. We'll do a little tutorial, and after we get some more of the patterns made and everything, and yeah. We'll be posting videos on our Instagram, posting videos on our Snapchat, so please follow us. We have all those links down below. And we appreciate you. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below if you have a head wrap style that you want us to try and recreate. If you have one of these patterns and you have some type of head wrap style and you want to post a picture, you know, just comment, interact with us. We love interacting with you all.
Exactly. Enjoy the rest of the day.
Yes.
If you're watching this at night, go to sleep.
No, stay up as late as you want to. Till the next day. That's all I used to do when I was younger. Stay up till the next day. Be tired.
Come back and check us out, though.
All right, bye.